Hi, this is Ben Heinrich for Smart Minutes, coming to you from Carmel Valley, California. Today I'm going to introduce to you the Smart Home Primer. It's a one-page, very well-organized, clear, logical summary of all the smart home key concepts and principles. The topic of smart homes is a very big subject, and it's hard for consumers, clients, and agents to get our arms and our heads around it. But the Smart Home Primer will allow you to give your clients a framework and a context and help your clients organize their thinking. As the public becomes more and more aware of the smart home landscape, we can anticipate many questions coming from our clients. For example, I'm looking for an agent that has smart home experience. How many smart homes have you sold? And I've heard this one many times. What is your definition of a smart home? How would you answer? In the near future, many of our clients are going to be choosing their agents based on their experience and knowledge of smart homes. Will you be ready? Here's a great way to get started with the Smart Home Primer. It sets out the key concepts, the key principles clearly and logically, and it helps your clients have a context and a frame of reference so they have a way of thinking about smart homes. For example, the 4 pillars of a smart home: entertainment and automation, health, safety, and well-being, smart energy management, and home security, not only physically, but cyber security. Subscribe to Smart Minutes, and I will send you this primer. It will be available and a valuable tool in your smart home toolbox. Next time, we're going to discuss how to select a smart home expert that's in your area and in your community. See you soon. Be smart, be well, be safe. Thank you. See you next time.